What's up guys, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and Apple is going to launch the successor, or should we say a plus model of the iPhone SE, because the iPhone SE was one of the best selling phones of 2020 and sold over 10 million units. So Apple is definitely planning to launch another model just like this one. It will be called the iPhone SE Plus, or maybe the iPhone SE 2021. The naming is not really confirmed, but we'll call it the iPhone SE Plus for the sake of this video. We don't have much info on this, we just know that it is definitely coming, most probably in April. It won't actually be launched at the March Apple event, which we'll dive into at the end of this video. It will be more like a press release like they did last year. Now I think that it will be a re-release of the iPhone XR, because if you look at last year, Apple was selling the iPhone 8, which had become over 3 years old. So what they did was replaced it with the new iPhone SE, which was the iPhone 8 but with a new chipset and a new name. So if you head over to Apple's website now, they're selling 3 phones between $399 and $599, which are the iPhone SE for $399, iPhone XR for $499, and iPhone 11 for $599. Both the iPhone SE and iPhone 11 are just a year. There will be a lightning port which you should enjoy while it lasts, because Apple is killing it with the iPhone 13. If you haven't seen my previous video, definitely check it out after watching it. Link will be in the description down below and here in the iCard. Its power button will double as a fingerprint sensor. As of the display, it will be an LCD panel with 6.1 inches in size. We would have preferred OLED, but I think that the people who will actually buy it won't really care if it's an LCD or an OLED, so that's that. There will be thick bezels around it and a notch, so it'll also support Face ID, and in that notch there will be a 7 megapixel selfie camera. It will pack 3 or 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of base storage, and Apple's A14 Bionic chip, which is the same as the iPhone 12's. So you can expect it to perform incredibly well, because it is one of the most powerful chipsets in the world. And there will be a 3000 mAh battery too, and it will also come with iOS 14 out of the box. And like I told earlier, it will launch somewhere in April, and it will cost like $499 or so. And just so you know, these were my assumptions. These were not leaks. I'm pretty sure we'll have a lot of leaks on it pretty soon. I'll definitely make a video on them, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see that. Now, Apple is also planning an Apple event that will happen in March. It will be like one of those hour-long, pre-recorded, highly edited, and to be honest, fun to watch events. They're going to launch some new products there, like AirPods 3, the new iPad Pro and its magic keyboard, and the new AirTags, which are like smart Bluetooth trackers that whichever thing you attach on, you will be able to track it pretty easily if in case it gets stolen or lost. Now, AirPods 3 are actually going to come with pretty big changes. There will be a mix between AirPods Pro and AirPods 2. There's going to be an improved design that is going to be much more comfortable. There will be noise cancellation too, pretty much the same audio quality and better life like AirPods Pro, if not better. And they'll also pack an H2 chip. The case of them will be more squarish. It's different than AirPods 2 and Pros. Some say that they'll cost $150, while some say it's $200, so it's safe to say that it'll cost somewhere between that. So this is what is going to happen at the March event. That is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Consider checking out my other videos just like this one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more of this stuff, and as always, I will see you guys next time.